Given the following data, find the mean, median, mode. The first thing we're going to do is enter these into the calculator. So I'll press my stat button, and I want to do enter on edit. Now if you have numbers here, you can press delete over and over to clean them out. You can also, I'm going to do a second mode to exit out here. You can also go into stat and then calc, stat edit, and clear list right here, and press enter on that. And then you do second one and press enter, and that'll clean out the list L1. Now second one, you see accesses the L1 above it. Above the, if I want to do L2, I do second 2, second 3 for L3, second 4 for L4, and up to L6. So now if I go into stat and do enter on edit, you'll see L1's cleaned out. Now let's say I had numbers there and I wanted to clean those out. I showed you how you could press delete over and over to clean those out. I showed you the clear list. Typically what I do is I'll up arrow and I'll highlight L1, and then I'll press my clear button. Make sure you don't press delete, we're pressing clear, and then press enter. And that very quickly clears it out. I hardly ever do the delete over and over except in these videos to show it, or the clear list, because you have to exit out and go in. So as you saw, I didn't even know where it was. This is the fast way. Unfortunately, what people oftentimes will do is they'll have L1 highlighted here. Instead of pressing clear, they'll press delete. Now, let me go ahead and do that and show you what happens. Now if I do a down arrow, you see L1 is gone. A lot of the functions in this class are assuming that your data is in L1. So if you deleted it, then well, that's an issue. Okay, to get L1 back, you up arrow and put your cursor on L2, and then you do second button and then delete. Make sure you push the second. If you just push the delete, you've deleted L2. And it comes up and asks us for the name, and I want to put L1 back, so I'm going to do a second 1 to access the L1 above the 1, and then press enter. And that gives you your L1 back. Then I'll down arrow, and I'm going to input my numbers. So I got 5, 5, 7, 9, 13, 21, 27, 31, and 45. And go try that again. 45. There we go. 21, 27, 31, 45. Now after you get those in, you want to exit out, so you do second mode. Second mode gets you out of anything. And I can press clear to clear out the screen there. So no matter what you're in, if you're wondering how do I get out, second mode will do it. Clear gets you out of some screens. Okay, now I'm going to go back into stat, right arrow to calc, and I want to do enter on one of our stats and press enter. That assumes L1, and our X bar is our sample mean, population mean also, and you see it's 18.11. Okay, so our mean is 18.11. That's also asking for the median. Well, if I down arrow, you can see it go down to the median. It says median is 13. And then the last thing that this problem is asking for is a mode. Mode is the value that occurs the most often, which are the 5s. So my mode would be 5. And those would be my answers.